Hi, my name is Lisa Samet. I'm a naturopathic physician and I specialize in homeopathy. My practice is in Montreal, and I'm going to talk to you now about some very good remedies that you could consider when we're treating some of the illnesses that are going around this winter, in particular ones that have flu-like symptoms: fevers, body aches, chills, coughs, cold, sore throats, weakness. It seems this year people have been hit pretty hard with these kinds of symptoms. The first remedy I want to talk to you about is one of the best remedies to treat flu and flu-like symptoms, and the name of that remedy is Gelsemium. So the Gelsemium picture is very clear, so I'm going to describe it to you. So hopefully if you're treating somebody with symptoms that match those of Gelsemium, you'll be able to recognize it right away. So one of the most characteristic symptoms of Gelsemium is the incredible weakness. So people who need Gelsemium are so weak that they can barely hold up their eyelids. And you can see their eyelids are actually half closed. And they say that they're so weak that they can't get out of bed, and opening their eyes fully feels like a real effort. So that's something that would right away tip you off to thinking about Gelsemium. Something else that's common in the Gelsemium patient is that Gelsemium people are very, very chilly, and often they will complain that they have chills running up and down their back and up and down their forearms. Something else to notice about a Gelsemium patient is they are mentally very dull. They're so overtaken by their symptoms they even can't think. So they have trouble holding a conversation or focusing on a thought. Something else to look for in a Gelsemium patient that's peculiar is that they have a lack of thirst, even when there's a fever. So many of you know it's very common when you have a fever to be thirsty. And in homeopathy, we're looking for things that are uncommon or particular. So having no thirst and being that sick with a fever would certainly indicate the potential for Gelsemium. You might also notice that with Gelsemium, there's a lot of dizziness and lightheadedness, particularly centered at the back of the head. So it's a very clear picture of Gelsemium between the chilliness, the weakness, the mental dullness, and the thirstlessness. If you see a picture like that, you will think about Gelsemium. We also want to say that it's important that if you think you have the influenza virus, or if your symptoms are severe or worsen, please seek the advice of a medical professional to be examined and diagnosed. So good luck treating these flu-like symptoms this year. And in the next segment, I'm going to talk about Arsenicum album, which is another remedy that's very well indicated often when we have these symptoms.